Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the Fingerprint Live Animation app and granting camera and microphone access. This lets the app capture motion and sound for synced effects. Once done, position your device on a steady surface or tripod about 20 to 30 centimeters from the finger and pick a high-contrast background to maximize sensor detection. Make sure the fingertip is clean and slightly moisturized so ridge detail reads clearly. Start the capture mode and tap the red record button to begin the first sample. Next, you choose an animation preset or switch to custom mode and adjust the sensitivity slider to control how much ridge detail converts to motion. Higher values produce stronger effects. Once you capture, run 1 to 3 light passes or enable HDR if the scene is dim to preserve detail. After capture, preview frame by frame, trim the first and last frames to remove blinks, and apply motion smoothing to eliminate jitter. This is where you balance realism versus stylized movement for the final render. Finally, export your animation by selecting MP4, GIF, or live photo and pick resolution and bitrate suited to your destination. Higher bitrate preserves fine ridge motion. Once exported, share directly to social platforms or save to the gallery and toggle the watermark off if you have the Pro option. If something goes wrong, recheck camera permissions, clean the lens, and retry at about 30 centimeters with consistent lighting. If persistent, restart the app and retake a short calibration clip to reset detection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.